Good morning, my dear kids. What a wonderful day today. Is it? So today you already learned ant and the grasshopper story? Yes or no? Yes? So today I will show you, I will recap on that story. So what you have to do you know? I will tell you how to draw ant, how to draw grasshopper. After that, you have to draw that ant and the grasshopper story in picture way. Okay, in 4 parts you have to draw the ant and the grasshopper story. You can? Okay, I will teach you how to draw ant and how to draw grasshopper. Okay, fine. So first I will teach you how to draw ant. Okay. Do you remember that story? Wait, I will revise that story also. First I will teach you how to draw ant. So take your pencil, take your paper or notebook and eraser. Be ready with your notebook and pencil. Fine? Now look. How to draw ant? One oval. Draw one oval. Then one more oval. Okay, and then take one more oval, but it is pointed from right side. See, like that. You have to make it like that. Little pointed from the last. 2 ovals and then 1/3 oval will be pointed from the last. Okay. So now draw eye and mouth. Fine. Look everyone. And draw the legs. What is this? Ant. What is this? Ant. Okay, so simple now. 2 ovals, the 3 oval circles you have to draw and draw the legs and then this is ant. Now how to draw grasshopper? Do you want to know how to draw grasshopper? Look. Draw one circle. Okay? Or the oval. Come on, oval we will draw. Draw one oval and now make a grasshopper body. See how I am making? Just like a U. V. Go down and then go up. Just like V. And then one more V. Okay? See. Fine. Now draw eyes, mouth. Draw grasshopper antenna. Okay? And now leg. This is what? Grasshopper. Okay? So this is ant and this is grasshopper. So now come on. I will tell you story in the story form. Okay? In a 4 part. So I hope you also will try at home. Fine? Come on. Make your paper in a 4 part. Okay? See, I divided my board in 4 parts. Fine? So this is the first stage. What happened in first stage? One day, who was living in the garden? Ant and the grasshopper. So come on, in the garden, we have to draw ant and the grasshopper. See, this is the garden. Here, one ant. And grasshopper. Okay, in the garden, one ant and the grasshopper was living. Who was living in the garden? Ant and the grasshopper. Then how was the grasshopper? Grasshopper was so lazy. He was playing and singing and dancing whole day. So here on the stone, who was sitting? Grasshopper. I'll make the grasshopper with blue. See, grasshopper is playing with his guitar and sitting in the garden. He is always singing and dancing whole day. He was so lazy. And ant, how was the ant? Ant was so hardworking. Ant was always carry food for in their ant hill. What ant was doing? Ant always carry food to their ant hill. Why? Because they are collecting food for winter season. So come on, now here I will draw some ant. See, ants are always carrying food to their ant hill. What ants are doing? Ants are so hardworking. They are always carrying food and collecting in their ant hill. Okay. Then what happened one day? Now summer season over. What ant is telling to grasshopper? Grasshopper, you should also do work hard. But what grasshopper is telling? Why you are doing so much hard work? You can play with me. But grasshopper is not listening. Now what happened? Now summer season over. This is summer season. Okay, this is summer season. Now which season comes? Winter season. So in winter season, there are so many cool. Snowfall will be there in winter season. Okay? And grasshopper has no food. He was so sad. So now you have to draw sad grasshopper. See, here grasshopper I am drawing. See, grasshopper is so sad because he don't have any food. Then he went to ant house and asked to ant. So here we can draw one ant house. See, here ant house is there. Okay. So here ant is there. This is ant. Okay. So grasshopper asked to ant, can you give me some food? What grasshopper asked to ant? Can you give me some food? I don't have a food. I am so hungry. Then ant said, okay, because ant was so kindful. Ant was so good. So ant gave food to grasshopper. And what grasshopper said to ant? Thank you. And then what happened? Now in next summer season, grasshopper also started to work hard. here we have to draw grasshopper who is working hard. See, now in the next summer season, both grasshopper and ant both are working hard and collecting food. Okay, so now I will tell you a story. Ready? So once in the garden, who lived in the garden? Once upon a time, there is a garden. In the garden, one ant and grasshopper was living. Who was living in the garden? The ant and the grasshopper was living in the garden. Ant was so hardworking and grasshopper was so lazy. He don't want to do hard work. He always want to sing a song. He's always singing and dancing. He's not ready to do any work. Always singing and dancing. And ant was so hardworking and always collecting food for winter season. Because in winter season it is too cold, so they can't do work. So for winter season they are collecting food in their ant hill. Do you know what is the ant hill? Ant hill is the house of ants. Okay, they are collecting food in the ant hill. What grasshopper is telling to ant? Grasshopper is telling to ant, why are you doing this much of hard work? Come and play with me. Then what ant is telling? No, we should work hard. If we are working hard, we will not suffer in the winter season. You also collect the food for winter season. But grasshopper is not listening. Then what happened? Now summer season over and winter season came. And in winter season it is too cold and snowfall are there. What happened now? Grasshopper was so sad. Grasshopper is so sad. Why he is sad? Because he don't have any food. He did not collect the food now, so he don't have any food. He was feeling so sad. Then he went to ant hill and he asked to ant, can you give me some food? Then ant was so good. Ant was so kind. Ant says, okay, I will give you food. Don't worry. And ant give the food to grasshopper. Then grasshopper said, thank you ant. I will. And what he said? Now from next time I will also do hard work. Okay. Then what happened? Now winter season over. And again summer season started. And in the summer season, both ant and grasshopper started to work hard. So how is the story? And they both became good friends. So how is the story? Nice. So what are the moral of the story? We should work hard. We should help others. And we will not make fun for others. Okay? So there are 3 morals. So now what is your homework? You have to draw a picture of story. Okay? You have to draw a picture story with as you can. Okay? A grasshopper and ant and grasshopper story you have to draw in 4 parts and send to me that pic. I want to see how my kids are drawing. Okay? So this is your homework. You have to send me the picture story of ant and the grasshopper. Okay? In 4 steps. Fine? So this is your homework. So bye my kids. Love you. Take care and try to draw the picture. Okay? Draw the ant and the grasshopper story. And after that you have to record the story also. Okay? I want to see and send to me. Say to mama, send my story to Shilpa ma'am. I want to check how my kids are telling the story. Okay? So bye